3 formulas to pull 3 columns. There's a way to do it with one. You've got an order number and you want several fields back from the same row, not one at a time. Most people write an XLOOKUP for the customer, another for the product, another for the revenue, and copy all 3 down. You don't have to. XLOOKUP will hand you the entire row if you let it. Sheetlark, one spreadsheet fix at a time. Here's a 12-row order table. Order ID, customer, product, quantity, unit price, revenue. You type an order number into H2, and you want the whole record back. The usual approach is one XLOOKUP for the customer, another for the product, another for revenue. 3 formulas, 3 chances to get a column index wrong. Here it is. Equals XLOOKUP H2, A2 to A13, B2 to F13. The first 2 arguments are the same as always, what you're looking for and where to look for it. The difference is the third one. Instead of naming a single column to return, you hand it the whole block, B through F. One formula in one cell and the answer arrives across 5 cells. Customer, product, quantity, unit price, revenue, all from the matching row. Notice the light blue. Those cells are the spill. You didn't type anything into them. XLOOKUP filled them because the return range was 5 columns wide. Most people think of XLOOKUP as returning a value. It doesn't. It returns whatever shape you point it at. Give it 1 column and you get 1 value. Give it 5 columns and you get 5 values, in the same order as your data. Give it a range that's 10 columns wide and you get 10. The function isn't doing anything clever. You are simply asking it a bigger question. What if the fields you want aren't next to each other? Say you want customer and revenue, but not the 3 columns in between. Wrap the whole thing in CHOOSECOLS. CHOOSECOLS of your XLOOKUP, comma 1, comma 5. That pulls the first and 5th column out of the spilled row and drops the rest. Same one formula, just filtered. This is the part worth testing yourself. Change the order number in H2 and every one of those 5 cells updates together. There's nothing to copy down, nothing to drag sideways, and no column index to fix when someone inserts a column in the middle of your data. That last one is where VLOOKUP quietly breaks. 3 things will bite you. 1. If anything is sitting in the cells the result needs to spill into, you get a spill error. Clear them. 2. This returns the first match only, so if your order numbers repeat, you'll never see the second one. 3. The columns come back in the order they sit in your data. If you need them rearranged, that's CHOOSECOLS, not XLOOKUP. Google Sheets has XLOOKUP now, and this formula works there unchanged. If you're on an older sheet without it, the equivalent is index of B2 to F13, match of H2 against A2 to A13, comma 0. Leave the column argument out entirely, and index returns the whole row. 1 formula. Point the return argument at a range instead of a column, and XLOOKUP gives you the entire record. The workbook below has the data, the formula, the CHOOSECOLS variation, and the older index match version all working. It's free. Subscribe if you want one of these every few days.